Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit view only document or comment only document on Google Sheets mobile. Okay, here I have my view only document, as you can see right here, and I cannot edit this document. And if you want to edit this view only document, the first thing we're going to do is make a copy of this document in our Google Drive. So you can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of your screen, and then you're going to tap on share and export, and then you're going to click on make a copy. Okay, and before you make a copy of this document on your Google Drive, you can rename the document title. But if you want to skip this step, you just need to click on OK. Then you have to wait for a moment until the document has been copied to your Google Drive. Okay, and now the document has been copied to my Google Drive, and now I can edit this document. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit view only or comment only file in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.